Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error Office something went wrong with the error code 105813 on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to enable the Microsoft Click to Run service. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, copy and paste the first command and hit enter till you get the success message. Then copy and paste the second command and hit enter. The next solution will be to repair Microsoft Office. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. In the settings menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select installed apps. After this, scroll down to Microsoft 365. Click on the three dots associated with it and click on modify. This will open the Microsoft Office window. You can either choose quick repair or online repair and then click on repair. The last solution will be to uninstall Microsoft Office and reinstall it. So click on these three dots once again and this time select uninstall. After uninstalling it, you can download and install Microsoft Office from its official website. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.